Buhay ay weather-weather lang. It's a Filipino expression which means that most of the time, we have little control over what happens in our everyday lives. This is true, especially when we're up against natural calamities every year that affect millions of Filipinos. In fact, according to Pag-asa, an average of 20 tropical cyclones enters the Philippines each year, and in 2020 alone, the country lost almost 12 billion pesos worth of agricultural produce due to these typhoons. But what if by observing lightning, we can improve our disaster response? That's because according to research, the presence of lightning activity signifies weather disturbances like rainfall is about to happen. That is why the DOST-ASTI, in partnership with Hokkaido University, UPIESM, Pag-asa, and JICA, is spearheading a project investigating this matter. This is the ULAT project, or Understanding Lightning and Thunderstorms. It aims to answer the question, how can lightning and thunderstorms be used to improve our weather observations? There are 4 objectives in this project. First is to deploy a lightning detection network in the Philippines for weather observation. Second is to use the Diwata and Himawari satellites to reconstruct 3D models of the clouds for estimating their precipitation. Third is to develop algorithms for improving our weather forecasting systems and weather analytics tools. And lastly, is to not only share the data with stakeholders and related agencies, but also to provide near real-time weather information to the public. Currently, the team has put up weather stations called Poteca stations that are grouped into 2 networks. The first one is the P-Poteca network, which is a dense network of sensors that covers the Metro Manila area. The second one is the V-Poteca network, which is located at different Pag-asa stations nationwide. These networks aim to complement our existing meteorological equipment and help in generating additional weather forecasts. Since the project's inception, we have made significant progress towards our goals. With the collaboration of everyone involved in the project, our efforts show in the research outputs that we currently have. For example, we initially validated lightning events that occurred at specific locations by comparing it with lightning data coming from nearby stations. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are being used to interpolate the amount of rainfall and even provide complementary forecasts. We can also track the movement of thunderstorms as it passes through Metro Manila. All of these can help LGUs and DRRMOs to possibly to improve their disaster response operations. So, can lightning and thunderstorms be used to predict the weather? While the results are promising, a lot of work still needs to be done. And we need your help by continuing to support DOST projects like this. Together with the ULAT team, let us all learn to adapt to whatever nature gives us. And whatever difficult situations we may encounter in the future, let us all together move beyond possibilities.